Stephanie here. I am out for a spring walk and it has me thinking about a common lung cancer symptom. It's one that I experienced and I know a lot of my fellow patient advocates have experienced too. And it's a persistent cough. The reason my walk reminds me of it is because mine started in the springtime and I kind of just chalked it up to allergies for a long time. And even my doctors thought maybe that was what was causing it. It made sense. I thought, oh, well, the pollen counts in the air are probably high. My cough wasn't severe. It wasn't productive. It never brought up anything blood tinged, but it was persistent. And a persistent cough can be a symptom of lung cancer. So if you are experiencing a cough that just isn't going away, isn't letting up, even if it's a mild one, it is worth getting checked out by your doctor, especially if you have any other risk factors, but even if you don't.